I learned this in a restaurant. This is the tastiest chicken I've ever had. Start by cutting an entire chicken weighing about 2 kilos, cut it in half, butterflying it just like this. Then season it with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and spread it with your hands. Once you've done that, flip the chicken and repeat this process on the other side. And set aside. Now, using a fork, poke several holes in a 200-gram stick of unsalted butter. Next, squeeze this butter on the chicken, just like this. Spread this butter all over the chicken, and repeat this process on the other side. After that, in a skillet over medium to low heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, stir until melted. Add 12 garlic cloves, stir until golden brown, and set aside. Then add the chicken we prepared earlier and fry for 5 minutes on each side. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, add 30 milliliters of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 30 milliliters of white vinegar, and mix until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, spread this sauce all over the chicken and make sure to spread it on both sides. Once you've done that, in a baking tin lined with non-stick baking paper, add the chicken, cover with aluminum foil. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out. Baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Meanwhile, in a medium saucepan, add 500 grams of medium, peeled potatoes. Add enough water to cover them. Turn on the heat to medium to low power and let the potatoes cook for 20 minutes. Now, in a skillet over medium heat, add a drizzle of oil, 2 onions cut into smaller pieces, 1 red bell pepper cut into strips, and stir until slightly wilted. Add the potatoes we cooked, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, parsley to taste, and stir until incorporated. Then add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika and stir again. This is the right point. Finally, serve with the chicken we baked. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it.